Hello and welcome. I'm the Theory Detective. In these lessons we'll uncover the mystery of music theory. Now we did A minor primary chords. The primary chords are primary triads for the key of A minor. A minor had no sharps or flats, but now we're going to move on to our first sharp key, E minor. Now if you remember from the majors, our first sharp key was G major. G major had F sharp. E minor also has F sharp. So they're related. Those two keys are related. But right now we're going to deal with E minor. So we'll focus on that. If you take a look here, counting from E, I've given you an E chord, but counting from E, E would be 1. So I'll put a 1 there. Tonic is the 1 chord. It's going to start the piece generally, and it will generally also end the piece in the song. So I'm going to get a lowercase I there for Roman numeral 1, and because it's E, we're going to do a lowercase for minor E. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gives us our B. And the F must be sharped, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in. There we are. Now, dominant must always be major. The 5th is our dominant because it dominates the piece. So I'm going to put a capital for major, but this is a minor chord. So we're going to take this D and we're going to raise it. Here's the D, and here's the D sharp. Here's the B minor. And then when you raise the D, it becomes major. So we're going to add in a sharp on the D. So we have F sharp, and now we have D sharp. Here's the minor. Here's the major. So that's going to dominate the piece. Remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that gives you a 5, and I'll do Roman numeral 5 or V, capital for major. Over here, this is the same as this. It's an E chord, and it's a minor chord. So that's the 1 again. And then the subdominant dominates from below. So we're going to count at 5 below. This is 5 above. This is 5 below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gives us our A chord. And this is minor. It's the A minor. So I'm going to give an I-V, lowercase for minor, but why is it 4? Well, we can't call them both 5s, both the dominant and the subdominant. So we count only from the bottom when identifying, from the bottom to the top. So from the bottom to the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. The A would be 4. So this is B, and this is I-V, and it's A, and that's our 4. Our 1 chord, our 5 chord, and our subdominant is our 4 chord. And I'll go ahead and put a 4 here as well. Let's go ahead and hear it. E, B major, E minor again, A minor. Sounds almost like a song. Go ahead and take out your flashcards. We're going to make 3 more to add to your practice pile. The 1 chord, lowercase I for minor, in the key of E minor. The E minor chord. The 5 chord, capital V for major, in the key of E minor. And this is the B major chord. And the 4 chord, I-V lowercase, in the key of E minor. And this is the A minor chord. Add those to your practice pile and practice them as much as you can until they become very easy. And as always, have a great day.